Hey everybody, it's Earl, MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois, mgmclassiccars.com. Check out this 1967 Pontiac GTO all original. Repeat, all original. Same owner since 1973. Car's been just sitting in their garage. This car is a all original beauty. You know, you don't find them. It's got some issues, you know, being all original, but it's never been redone. But if you're into the all original stuff and want to spend a few dollars working on certain things, this is the car. I mean, it's a 400 factory numbers matching with the TH400 transmission. Clean, clean, clean. 66,000 original miles on this car. Sat in a collection of about, I think there's like 30 cars at the warehouse. This one was the only one that was all original. Runs out great. We're gonna take it for a ride. It's got power steering, power brakes. Look how this thing lines up. No fights. All your front chrome is good. All your lights are working the way they should. Marker lights, your grille is in good shape. The cold paint still shines a little bit. Original hubcaps. Little factory alarm. Look at the gap. That's the gap you want. Side vent windows. All your chrome and moldings are good. Now it gaps the way it should. No break in the paint at all. Really nice. All your chrome on the bottom's good. Rear bumper, okay. Not perfect, but not bad. It's got a couple little, you know, like bumped it into the garage as its life went on, but still good. Look at that. All original quarters. Top is in good shape. Got some paint flaws in here, being an original car. See them? The glass is good. Top is good. The chrome around the window's good. Rear passenger quarters fine. Couple little chips and stuff, but we're talking never touched. Show you the gap again. Right there. Boom, that's what you want. Got a little bit of a scratch here. I mean, for originality, this is it. There's a bunch of books that go with it. Paperwork. I took a picture of the title that we got from the customer. It's from 1973. It will be on, there's all your books and stuff in there. It will be on our website, mgmclassiccars.com. Wipers are working, tack is working. So you can take a look at that as well. It's really cool. Interior's in great shape for an original car. So it has like the little wear and tear. It's in a class all of its own, all original, all, you know. Seat belts are intact, your back deck. Look at those old speakers back then. I love it. Headliner. Your seats are in great shape. Door panel's good. $66,238 miles. Dash is good. Carpets are good. His and her shifter. You know what, let me open up the hood. I think I already did, but let's just double check so you can hear it run. Hold on, I'm putting you down for a second, folks. Numbers matching 400. Nothing modified, just the way it came. Running really nice. We're located in Addison, Illinois, just 20 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. We've got over 170 vehicles in stock. All our pictures and photos, video are online. Oh, she scoots. Brakes well. I'll give you my phone number in a little bit if you have any questions on this car or any of our other cars in stock. Brakes are good. Handles well. For an original car, this thing is really nice. GTO, baby. That's it. Right there. Runs out good. Goes through the gears. Let's take it for a little run. She peels them off. Oh yeah. Brakes good. We're located in Addison, Illinois. We're open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. No funky noises when we're turning. Saturday from 10 to 2, all by appointment only. We've got special financing available with good credit up to 180 months, 10% down. Wow, really drives nice, folks. This is a really nice original car. I have shipping all over the United States, bonded and insured. So give me a call at 773-600-0919. My name is Earl. That's 773-600-0919. We've got 45,000 square foot showroom with all our cars inside and service. Like us on Facebook. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We got videos coming out every day or so. We own everything. Nothing's on consignment. So we take some pride in what we do. You're gonna know what you're getting. This is a real nice car for being all original, not needing anything. It's turnkey. Oh wow. When it warms up, it really wants to kick. Here's our service center. So give me a call when you get a chance. 773-600-0919. My name is Earl. Thanks for spending some time on this 67 all original GTO. Have a great day. There'll be more to come. Bye.